In this video, I am going to teach you how to create Salesforce Developer Account. So in order to create your Salesforce Developer Account, what we can do is we can head over to their website, which is developer.salesforce.com. Now you should be able to see in here this part. So this is their particular website. So from this, you can click onto this Get Developer Edition. So from in there, you'll be prompted to sign up for your Developer Edition option. So you can just input right here your details. I'll head over and fill up mine first. Make sure to agree to the terms and condition and answer in here this CAPTCHA and then click onto the sign me up option. So as you can see, the developer edition of Salesforce allows you to build apps fast with drag and drop tools and go further with Apex code as well as build AI agent, harmonize your data, ground agent force and integrate with anything using APIs from this part. So they actually have a product trial for the actual developer edition. You can just click onto the sign up that we have earlier in order to sign up for your account. So using this way, you should be able to manage in here your Salesforce. Do take note that this actually is in coordination with their terms and condition. And in here, the developer edition includes autonomous and other generative AI features. And Salesforce may limit use of those features and the organization and may terminate any organization that has been active for 45 days. So make sure to abide by Salesforce rules in order to get the most out of your Salesforce Developer Account option. So just input your details, then sign up, and from in there, just follow the on-screen instructions in order to successfully create a Salesforce Developer Account. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.